Attention please. On the 7th of April 2011, the first international business train starts the journey above the Arctic Circle. Business train will depart from the Apatita railway station, and after passing two key points at Nikel and Montchegorsk, it will arrive at the destination point in Murmansk, the main city above the Arctic Circle. The general topics of the journey are delivery and service of industry equipment, spare parts and components for various branches of industry, after-sales service and staff education. By the end of 2011, more than 80 top managers in the field of journey topics, as well as business representatives, experts and analysts, and passengers interested in cooperation between the Russian Federation and the Kingdom of Norway, will take part in the journey. The result of the business train traveling is not a theory, but a real action.